When big brands like Samsung, Xiaomi and Honor are launching their fitness bands, trying to dominate fitness band market, a normal consumer who don't want to spend a lot only watch them from far. If you're one of them who don't want to spend too much and want all the fitness related features, don't be sad as we have a nice band which offers you a full color display, IP67 rating, long battery life and a real-time heart rate tracking. So before starting the video, if you end up liking the product, all the possible buying links will be in description. It costs 1300 Indian rupees or $19, which is almost half of the price of Honor Band and which is way cheaper than the MI Band 4. So let's take a closer look at the product and unbox it. So when we open the box, there is not too much to unbox. There is just the watch and the user manual. Let's keep it aside and turn it on. It has a nice colorful 0.96-inch TFT display and you have a button to navigate through the UI. It looks really similar to MI Band 4. I think it's a cheap alternative for that. The screen looks really good, viewing angles are good enough for daily use. Even you can adjust the screen brightness of this band so you don't have any difficulty using it under bright sunlight. The lift to wake gesture is pretty good also, it lights up at the right time. Moving to the certification, it's IP67 certified, which means it can be easily submerged in water, and yes, it works with Android as well as iOS devices. Talking about some other useful features, if you lose your band, you can find it by tapping at Find My Bracelet button and vice versa. You can ring your phone, it plays your ringtone at highest volume so you can find your phone. Talking about its phone companion app, FlagFit 2.0, you can directly check your blood pressure and heart rate without the need of navigating on watch user interface. I never expected tons of customizable settings from a non-branded fitness app, which almost gives you all the customization a branded app will give. Like you can calibrate the screen on gesture according to your liking. It has a sedentary reminder on and off switch which reminds you to walk or exercise if you're sitting for too long. Even you can set automatic heart rate monitoring on and off pretty much for a non-branded app. But it doesn't stop here. It has do not disturb feature built in the app. You can schedule it so it can be automatically applied. You can shake the capsule to take the photos, and yes, you can customize which app can show you notification on the band. For a fitness band with the price of lower than $19, I really think its features are good enough so you can give it a try. So that was all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe us. Have a nice day.